Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Ice maker noises usually come from normal functions like filling water, dropping ice, or the motor running. But loud or strange sounds can mean a clogged water valve, a stuck tray, or a faulty motor. Cleaning and checking for jams often fixes the problem. If noises continue, inspect parts or call a technician to prevent bigger issues.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.